Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can change the Google Chrome background of your Google Chrome browser on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. So let's bring up our Google Chrome browser first by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Type Chrome. Best match, Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. So by default, this is the original theme and background of the Google Chrome browser. However, if you want an artistic and beautiful background for your Google Chrome browser, then we can simply do that. On the bottom right corner right here, look for Customize Chrome, the one with the pen symbol at the bottom right corner. Click on that. Now you can choose right here different colors that you like for your Google Chrome background. You can choose this and that will change into that color. You can also choose this and this and this. However, if you want a wallpaper background for your Google Chrome, then click on this change theme button. Now you can also upload an image if you want your image to be the Google Chrome background right here. So if you want to go with solid colors, then there are a lot of colors right here that you can choose from to make as your Google Chrome wallpaper or background. You also have this rising artist wherein there are a lot of artistic and beautiful designs right here that you can choose from, and your Google Chrome background will turn into the wallpaper that you desire. You can also go with this Asian and Pacific Islander artist and choose any of this beautiful wallpapers right here. You can also go with this Native American artist. So there are a lot to choose from right here. If you scroll down, you also have the seascapes. If you want something like the sea or the ocean vibe right here, you can also do that. Or if you want the cityscape or you want to make it a wallpaper like tall buildings right here, you can simply do that. Or if you also like geometric shapes, there are a lot to choose from here. And if you want textures, there's also a lot to choose from here. So it depends on you on what wallpaper or background you like for your Google Chrome browser, so that whenever you open your Google Chrome browser, you will be amazed of its background. And if I also going to click on the plus sign symbol at the top for the new tab, this will also appear like this in the new Google Chrome background. So this is how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.